A very good morning and Jai Hind to everyone. So on your request, I am back with a new video on notice writing on my channel Cool School. So in today's video, we are going to discuss and I will be explaining you about how to write a notice. So before we begin, we need to understand what exactly is a notice writing. So it is an important piece of information for a larger group of people. So it can be a number of people who come to know about a single information when we are issuing a notice. Your notice should always be inside a box and it should be crisp, clear and short. Now let's come to the format. Now before we write the notice, we need to be very careful about the format because the format plays a very important role in the notice writing. So on the top, we need to write the name of the organization or the institution. So it can be any type of organization. It can be a business organization, a government organization, or it can be an educational institution of any type. Then after this, the next you need to leave a line. So as you can see, I have written double L. So this double L stands for leaving a line. This actually has not to be written in while you are writing the notice writing. This is just for the viewers to understand that you need to leave a line wherever this is written. Next, we need to put the heading notice, and mind you, it should always be in capitals. Next, we write the date, which should always be in the DDMMYY format, that is the British format. And for example, today we are writing the notice and it is 19th of Jan today. So what are we going to write? We write it as 19th January 2021. Then again we are going to leave a line and we put the heading or the topic of the notice and we underline it. Now coming to a very important part of the notice, that is the body or the content of your notice. As I said earlier that your body or the content of the letter should not be too big. It should not exceed more than 3 to 4 lines. But today we are writing the notice and it is 19th of Jan today. So what are we going to write? We write it as 19th January 2021. Then again we are going to leave a line and we put the heading or the topic of the notice and we underline it. Now coming to a very important part of the notice, that is the body or the content of your notice. As I said earlier that your body or the content of the letter should not be too big. It should not exceed more than 3 to 4 lines. But it should always have a proper beginning. For example, what you can write is, this is to inform, or you can also even write, this is to make you aware. Next, you also need to mention for what you are writing the notice. That is the event or the purpose of the notice. Then, for whom is the notice meant for? The targeted group or the specific people for whom the notice is issued. Also, we need to mention when and where, that is the date, time and place should also be mentioned. Also, you need to tell what to do, that is the instructions have to be clear what exactly has to be done. And if you are issuing the notice for something that has a last date, that is then you need to specify the deadline also in your content part. Also, for some specific type of notices, you can also write the date, time and place specified separately. And at the end, your content should have a proper ending. For example, you can write is, for further details. For example, what you can write is, for further details, you can contact the undersigned. Then, as I told earlier, you have to leave a line one more time. And coming to the last part, that is the closure part of the notice, where you need to put the signature. Then just below that you write the name of the person who is issuing the notice and the post and the designation of the person, right? And please do not forget to complete this and put it in a box. So I hope you understood the concept well and you enjoyed my video. Please do like and subscribe the channel so that you can get all the updates on time. Thank you.